Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, March 11th. Just a couple economic news releases on the agenda today. So we'll start with the NFIB Small Business Index for the month of February. And basically, they had a rating of 94.1 for the previous month back in January. And the came in at February down 91.4. So this is really what the small businesses out there, their confidence level is what this is an indicator. We haven't had anything above 100 since 2006. So it's been a while since we've had a high rating on this. A lot of it is, they're not comfortable with the sales or not comfortable where the employment is going. So there's a lot of twists and turns as to the confidence level of small businesses out there. Also, we got the wholesale inventories for the month of January. So back in December, they had a 0.4% wholesale inventory level, and for the month of January, it jumped up to 0.6. So not a good sign, primarily because wholesale inventories were up, but the wholesale sales were down. So basically, they loaded up and weren't able to move those products along. So as we can see at the NFIB month afterwards, we can kind of see how that progression. So we'll take a look here. Then also a different report came out earlier today talking about job openings. Now that did show some improvement a little bit in the job openings out there. And there's also a study that was out there how a lot of people aren't voluntarily leaving because they know it's a tough job market out there. So stock market is kind of taking this. It started the morning up because the NFIB business came up, but when the wholesale inventories came out, it became kind of more of a mixed bag of news, so to speak. So they don't know which way to go with the jobs and wholesale inventory levels, and so right now money's coming out of the equity markets, and they're just at a confused standstill, or at least trying to decide as to which way they want to go. Also, you had a few earnings reports coming out for different corporations for the stock side of things as well, playing some parts for some of the investors out there. So let's take a look at the bond, and same thing's going on with the bond. So both markets, money's being pulled out at the moment until they can kind of cipher through the information and try and make some decisions as to which way they want to go. But this could rebound a little bit, the bond market, as it is typically a flight to safety. But as of at the moment, so far this morning, money's coming out of both markets, and until they can kind of decide which way they want to move their money. All right, so as a result, interest rates did climb up a little bit this morning, as we are approximately 12 basis points lower than where we left off yesterday, which would translate, price for the worse so far today. So this could change as the day goes on, but as of this morning, this is where we kind of stand. Tomorrow we don't have any economic news releases, so it could be geopolitical, like maybe something happens in Russia, Ukraine. But right now they're kind of at ease, as it looks like nothing disturbing is going to happen, at least in the future or near future. Um, but and of course, it could be more the stock market where they take with earnings and everything else could be a factor. But again, Thursday and Friday will be the big days this week. But all right, folks, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for your time and watching this video, and we will see you guys tomorrow.